Hello everyone, welcome to the video of Crypto Capital Investments where I analyze the crypto and share that with you. So today I am coming with the TA for the crypto of the day, which is Binance coins. I'm going to be talking about a massive GameFi airdrop that happened, my honest opinions about that, Terra USDT and Luna dips. I'm gonna talk about the NFTs on Instagram. Gonna talk about the SEC, the CEO. I'm sorry, CC, that's providing some interesting comments. I'm going to be talking about Binance getting into Italy and France, and also going to be talking about, well, Mavatrix, which is a Binance listing on an NFT listing on Binance. Also about different news in the crypto market from investing.com, that definitely you're going to be interested about. So let's start with the video. Alright guys, so remember to leave a like, to leave a comment, and to become a patron and subscribe to the channel because I'm providing the news and technical analysis daily. Alright, so let's go. I was looking into Shiba Inu and what the hell is that, but let's go with what it's the deal for today. So Binance Coin is at $319.06, 2.97% up from yesterday, 19.65% down from a week ago, with $52 billion in the back. All right, and right now moving to the downside. So very quickly, as investors, remember this is not technical analysis for daily, this is as investors, and as investors I am expecting, and just to be clear about this, there is support. Well, technically we are in an area of support. If you see, the bodies of the candles are handling this as support area, but if you get to the stochastics, you can see in the monthly that we still have a lot of room to go down, and right now we are below 50, which it means that we are going to start bear market, and well, that's going to take a while to recover from that. So at least we need to see some down road for Binance, and definitely there's a lot of room to go down. My perfect buy will be in this support of $46.5, right? Just to let you know, most likely we're going to get below this 200 moving average, so be aware of that. That's at least my strategy. I am going to wait for this project to cross above this downtrend. That's it. All right, now let's go with the news. Let's start with this one. So massive GameFi airdrop on BNB chain. And well, I got into this. Basically, there are like dropping between all of these games $30,000, and yeah, it's kind of interesting. But I went into each one of these, and you can get two. Honestly, the only one that deserves some type of attention is MetaStrike. It's kind of a Doom of Counter-Strike, and but it's the only one that I do think there's a fundamental of entertainment. No, there's no other project here. For example, if you get into that road, you will be amazed about the website, but when you get into the game itself, is a fucking, I don't know. It's even worse than a Game Boy from the mid 90s. So it's really disappointing the way they try to sell it, and even though that this already closed on April 27th, so actually you did not miss anything good here. This is all of what they were providing to by each game, and this is 1000 word of Meta Strike. That's the only one that is maybe something good about it. Get into it, look at it. It's okay, all right. It's okay. It's a shooter, and at least I do believe it's something to give. All right, next news. So the biggest stat yet to Terra USDT, and this is a big one. So Luna have dipped 50%. That's on the head and headers of all the news, and Binance suspended the withdrawals. And here's the thing. So Binance have suspended Luna and USDT withdrawals, blaming it on a high volume of pending withdrawal transactions as panic set for the Terra community. But honestly, why would I want to withdraw Luna from the exchange? if that's dropping as hell. I will not want that. Um, so I don't get that. But anything, anyway, Luna Foundation Guard reveals it's lending 1.5 billion in BTS and USDT to try to salvage the peg for the USDT stablecoin. But as it turns out, even this isn't enough to save USDT. So if you look at the chart of USDT, which is a stable coin technically, it went all the way down to 67 cents. And that makes no sense at all. Nevertheless, the mint and burn mechanism as is all well and good. So that means that the stable coins use this type of mechanism and it's valid, right? It's valid into if you look into economics. Now the volatile cryptocurrency is bad, but for stable coin for an stable coin, it's a catastrophic event, right? So that is one of the biggest news right now into the projects. Let's go with the next news. So Instagram, it's going to start testing NFTs with this week. So this is going to start May 9, just for you to be aware. Well, actually started yesterday. And let's get into the news. So Meta owned Instagram will start testing out NFTs on this platform this week, CEO Mark Zuckerberg revealed. Instagram will support digital collectibles on Ethereum and Polygon blockchain. Support and follow. Okay, this is a big one. So it's going to support Flow and Solana. So we're talking about the main ones. So Ethereum, Polygon, it's well known, but Flow, it's a new project. Okay, so I have just moved this project into one of my, I call that list, let me show you, the experimental projects that I follow. And these are so I just put it here. And these are the projects that don't have more than, like if the project started after 2018 is going to fit into this list because I need to pass the test of time and none of these projects have. So that's the thing. Now waves, maybe I shouldn't have it here, but look at that, my goodness. All right, anyway, so let's keep going with the news. And this is not it. All right, so pay attention to Flow and Solana. So Solana got that break of security, but still they are working in the project, right? Now users will be able to display augmented reality of NFTs on their IG stories, right? That's a really nice thing to have. Meta was working to enable support for NFTs on both Instagram and Facebook. So also OnlyFans is thinking about jumping into NFT, and also the CEO Susan Wojcicki hinted at the possibility of embracing Web3 technologies, including NFTs, as a way to help creators make money. Now, I did read also YouTube. Where was that part? Where is that part? Okay, OnlyFans. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, yes, YouTube CEO. Here you go. So OnlyFans and YouTube CEO are thinking about getting to provide the ability for you to show your NFTs, which is going to provide more value to the NFTs. All right, so be aware of it. Okay, next news. Binance CEO stirs hope as market crashes. Here's his advice for investors. So CC, it's a guy that, well, he's the owner of Binance, one of the big names in Binance, in the cryptocurrency market. And he is telling people like, hey, this is usual, this is normal, these drops are normal, but I don't know, the sentiment, it's something that you cannot stop. It's something that you can only know how to treat, how to handle by experience. So SCC tried to mitigate the extreme panic in the crypto world by saying that the drop will mean so little in the next couple of years, right? And yeah, basically he's saying that in this news. You can of course get into that if you want to get into more details. Okay, is Binance eyeing Italian approval? CC meets former PM Conte. So after winning regulatory approval in France, crypto exchange Binance may be setting its sights on Italy next. KCC meeting with major Italian politicians could hint that Binance plans to lobby for Italian regulatory approval. Meeting was also to give the government insights into crypto and Web3 technology, indicating that more regulations from Rome could be on the way. Italy, Italy's legal system still does not include a general definition for cryptocurrencies, but countries' courts recognize some tokens as financial instruments. So this is something that's actually happening in a lot of countries because actually the the governments are involved already into crypto. They have put their funds into crypto. All politicians have done it. So that's why they are going to start moving into that. All right, let's keep moving. Come comes a year after Italy's market watchdog said it was unauthorized to operate in the country. So they first Binance their first was on Italy, but without an authorization. They had to stop. Now they are trying to get back. Okay, Binance and several other crypto exchanges offer their services to Italians, but they had not official presence in the country. Binance recently won full regulatory approval in France, and for Spain, for instance, recently asked the exchange to cease offering crypto derivatives in the country. You know what that is. All right, so that's with that news. This is a no, actually this is a garbage news, bullshit news. So Mabatrix gets listed on Binance NFT. I was trying to get into this one. Apparently, the Mabatrix core team has worked closely with Centric experts to ensure that the project passed advanced security audits and penetration tests. Overall, Mabatrix score it's 8800, and yeah, you can see the full report. But there have also a airdrop that you can actually get into, but it's a bullshit airdrop. All right, so forget about that one. It's crap. All right, let's see. Bitcoin falls to. All right, these are actually a lot of news into one news, so let's get into it. The historic decision made by the United States Fed on Thursday to increase interest rate could be one of the reasons why we are right now in a bear market and more aggressive than ever, because also the SPX and different products are falling. So this could be the main reason why is that. Okay, let's see. So the Luna Foundation Guard recently became the second largest corporate holder of Bitcoin. Amazing. A total of 80,394 Bitcoins in its reserve. On Friday, the US Security and Exchange Commission SEC announced that Luis Capucci Jr., the CEO of Mining Capital Coin MCC, had been charged for planning a fraudulent global crypto mining and trading scheme worth $82 million. So this on Friday, together with the news of this one of the interest on Friday too, it's on Thursday, it's definitely like pushing a lot the market to the downside. Investors, so in this project, in this Ponzi scheme, investors were promised 1% daily returns paid weekly for up to 52 weeks. And they're saying that they were mining, but like crypto mining and trading scheme. So you know now, if you see that, run, okay? That is a fucking scam. Alright, next. The SEC withdraw the SEC drawn out legal battle with Ripple has not tipped the end this year by Ripple CEO. So this is still going. I'm going to talk more about that for the XRP day, which is going to be tomorrow maybe. Let's see here. Yes, tomorrow I'm going to be talking about that news. I'm going to investigate more about that one. Right, regulators are enforcing strict rules for cryptocurrencies as more cases of fraud and scam emerge in the crypto industry. So be aware of that and try to have your cryptos only on the wallets of the crypto itself and make sure are on the main cryptos, because definitely this is going to start getting bad. All right, so we'll support NFT from several major blockchain networks including Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, and Flow blockchain. So this is basically repeating the same news that I already told you about the NFTs on the Meta company of Mark Zuckerberg. All right, and the pilot program could begin as early as Monday, May 9, so yesterday. Will feature a small number of NFTs enthusiasts from the United States. This could move up the value of the NFTs, but with how is the market right now, there's no guarantee at all. Alright, and the last but not least, Elon Musk listed Binance as one of the 18 investors to have contributed to his Twitter takeover bid. And this is a big one. So Elon Musk and Binance in the same line, it's interesting because Elon Musk don't get into projects that like he used his he investigate a lot about the companies. Now Elon Musk have confessed that he have a weakness, that is that he trusts too much in people, and sometimes in his administration of SpaceX, of Tesla, have been a weak spot in his management. So maybe he's not getting that much into Binance. Maybe he is, but nevertheless, there is the name of Binance backing up the movement of Elon Musk in the market buying Twitter. All right, so that's going to be the news for today. The TA for BNB. So if you appreciate this work that I'm doing daily to provide you here the news as fast as I can daily, well, please leave a like, leave a comment, become a patron, follow me on Twitch, follow me on YouTube, and subscribe to YouTube, and also become a patron to support this project. It's only going to be $3, $5, or $25 to support, and I'm going to provide actually the strategies for the futures market that I'm getting. So right now today I did not got into any projects of futures. I'm waiting for the pullback and to start the run to the downside again, most likely. All right, so that's going to be it for the video of the day. Thank you for watching, and until the next one, bye bye.